Welcome once again, and let's talk about Coinbase. And I think Coinbase will be listening to Terra Classic Coin with the way things are going. It is the fact from the things we can see, Coinbase are warming up, and I believe once that listing actually happen, Terra Classic is going to gain a lot. Holders will be smiling. Coinbase is one of the biggest crypto exchange. That is why if we can have an exchange like Coinbase listing Terra Classic, is going to be the biggest listing of Terra Classic since past last year. So Terra Classic have gotten a lot of listening in the past. Even just recently, Big Time listed Terra Classic, but believe the listing of Coinbase is going to be the biggest. Now with Binance, of course, this coin is said to be going to the moon. Now Coinbase is not easy because actually they actually listed this coin before, but I believe with the way the community, the way the Terra Classic community has been mounting pressure on Coinbase, the way they have been tweeting, we go to Twitter, Terra Classic is actually trading, and at the time about Coinbase list LUNC was actually trading, people wanted to see Coinbase show support for Terra Classic, and I know very soon that will be happening. And I think the rumor that Coinbase are actually buying Terra Classic coin, and if that is true that they are buying Terra Classic coin, maybe they are planning to list this coin. Then once the coin pumps, they will be making their own money. Now, one thing I love about some crypto coins, when I see exchanges like Coinbase, exchanges like Binance, exchanges like crypto.com, get.io, Kucoin, Kraken, a lot of them, whenever they want to list a particular coin, sometimes I love to, if that coin have a good project and it's on my track, I love to buy these coins, because when they list such coin, you will see the coin will pump. You see a kind of an increase in price, because the news of imagine Binance just listed this particular coin. The news, of course, all over the places, all over the world, will actually push that coin. That's what we call fundamental analysis in crypto trading. That is fundamental analysis in crypto trading. That news can push that coin to really increase in price. Now, when that coin increase in price, those that bought the coin before the news of that push the coin actually released the media, you've seen them already making some profit for themselves. So what some exchanges do is that they would like to buy coins. Some of them like to buy coins before they will list such coin. Now that helps them to also make profit from the news of their company listing such coin. So with Coinbase, we are hearing Coinbase actually buying Terra. So what do you think about it? I think you should know, if they are truly buying Terra Classic, maybe they are actually planning to list Terra Classic, and that is going to bring in more rise, more pump for Terra Classic. So I want to say that news because already we have Terra Classic, and for you, if you don't have Terra Classic, I believe you need to get Terra Classic. But please, if you want to buy this coin, buy what you can afford to lose. Terra Classic is a good coin, it's a future coin. We are hoping to see the year Terra Classic will massively bump in price. Now the targets for most holders, of course, we might discuss here, is for this coin to hit 0.01. Yes, 0.01 is our target, even though some people believe this coin can still hit $1. Now hitting such level $1 is going to be one of the biggest move ever, and I believe that Terra Classic is going to really increase in price. Now remember that Terra Classic LUNC coin have amazing community. They have great crypto billionaires supporting this coin. Now if this coin is going to increase, I believe that definitely this coin is going to increase, because we talk about Binance founder CZ and so many other crypto billionaires are actually pumping money into Terra Classic, and the daily volume of Terra Classic is amazing. Okay, sometimes you see Terra Classic trading between 150 million, 200 million, 340 million, and even $500 million daily volume. Wow, that's amazing. So that's a lot of money. So I believe this coin is going to increase. If you can give this coin the support that the coin needs, this coin is going to increase. If you can really support Terra Classic, and if I believe if the support will come in globally, from America, from Europe, from Asia, from Africa, from different parts of the world. Terra Classic is going to create a lot of millionaires. Let's hope to see this coin keep increasing gradually. Let's hope to see the supporters this coin has been gaining. Let more supporters keep supporting this coin. And for me, of course, we are all in for Terra Classic, and I believe this coin is going to rise. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.